But what we wanted to do going forward to get the remaining founders is give you guys something that can actually make you more money. Now, if you're interested in making more money, we're going to give you the opportunity tonight. Now, you're going to have a choice. And that choice is we're actually going to open up a page tomorrow. We're going to let you have access to this page, and you can actually share lead flow 24/7 with others to get more founders into the program. And what we're going to do is, let me step back and just say this. There's two types of people online. There's those who join a program and can make sales, and then there's those who can join any program and they struggle to make sales. And I know you know who I'm talking about, and I know a lot of you know good marketers that can just jump into anything and make sales, and I know you know a lot of people that struggle. So this offer, you have to think about what we're offering here, because you have to make the judgment calls. We're going to give you the page to promote to bring in other founders. When you bring in another founder, all right, what we're going to do is we're going to give you $10 for every founder you bring in, plus you'll earn overrides off that founder from every sale he makes from here on out. Not a founder sale, but every sale he makes after we launch. So if you know somebody that's a good promoter that's going to love this program, and why wouldn't you? You're going to get leads and traffic every day. He's going to go out there and say you sign up a guy named Steve, and he's going to bring in 10 people. Steve brings in 10 people, you're going to make $100. You're going to make $10 a pop, and that's every month on those people. So you have to ask yourself the question, do you want to wait for launch to bring in somebody, to bring in Steve, and then you'll make $50 a month off Steve, and that's it. But every sale that Steve makes, you won't make anything off it. So you have to weigh it out. Do you want to bring him in before then and make overrides off him? Or do you just want to wait till launch and make $50? So that's the choice you have to make, and that's the choice we're giving you right now to do. We're going to give you a page, and you can promote it. Again, if you bring a founder in, we're going to give you $10 of that. And then every month or every time that person makes a sale after the launch, you'll get an override. All right? So it goes back to what I said at the beginning. There's two types of marketers. There are those who can jump in a program and make sales. It's like me and Don. It doesn't matter what we jump in, we're going to make sales. All right? There's other people, they jump in a program and they're always struggling to make sales. Now, those people, you might not want to go after them as founders. The reason why is because if they come in as a founder, you earn $10. But if they don't promote the program, they don't make any sales, you don't make any more money. All right? And the opposite is true too. If you know somebody that's a good marketer that can make a lot of sales, you might want to bring them in as a founder because you're going to get all the overrides off them. Right? So you have to weigh it out, how you're approaching people with this. All right? I would go after your big hitters first, because those are the ones that are going to make you the most money. And then everybody else, you can bring them on after the launch. All right? So the choice would be yours. All right? But that's going to be available tomorrow, and it's exclusively just for founders. All right? After launch, no one else in this program will have overrides but founders. That's it. So you can take advantage of it right now and get overrides. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to pay out every Friday. So basically, whatever comes in from Saturday till Thursday, we'll pay out Friday all those bonuses that you've earned from the founders that you brought in. All right? Now, this doesn't include overrides. When we launch, you bring in another guy and you earn overrides off him. That doesn't count. It only counts for founders that you bring in that you can earn overrides on. All right? Don, you want to add anything to that, or do you need to add anything? Because I got to make this quick because I'm actually going out to dinner with my daughter tonight. So you want to add anything to that?
Not offhand. We're going to be making a few changes to the back office here over the weekend, so you'll see more things added there. And, we'll add the Facebook group to the back office, so that way new founders that are coming on board, they can access it right in the back office. So you'll start to see some changes happening to the back office over the weekend.
The back offices and the pages that you see are temporary. The whole site it looks different, right? It's going to be cleaner, bolder, nice, crisp site. Matter of fact, I'll show you the page right now that you guys are actually will share to get other founders in. You know, similar to the page that you guys went to, except it looks a lot better. And I'll share it with you right now. This will be available tomorrow in your back office, and you'll have your own link to it and everything. You can share it. And so when it comes in, we'll know whose it is. Let me show you the idea of it. Basically, you'll have a lead capture page, and the lead capture page will go to this page, and I'm going to show you right now. Let me share the screen. All right. Don, can you see that?
Yes.
All right. Here's what it's going to look like. Basically, this is they're going to opt into a page that has this on it, and then they're going to come to this video. When they opt in, that's going to give you credit for this if they sign up as a founder, okay? Basically, daily traffic and leads for only 27 cents a day. Because think about it, you're only paying $100 one time as a founder. 100 divided by 365 is 0.273 or 27 cents a day. Now ask yourself the question, where else are you going to get daily traffic and leads for only 27 cents a day? Nowhere. And you can earn $50 commissions on top of that, residually every month. This program is absolutely going to blow up, folks. It's going to go crazy. We ain't even promoted it. We just, again, we sent it out to that small 173 member list, early bird list, who basically, I mentioned this a month ago, and they opted into this list. And then we basically made that post on Facebook, and that's basically all we've done. We haven't done any marketing whatsoever. But if we decide to turn on the trigger, I mean, we could easily bring on the 500 members ourselves if we wanted to promote it. But right now, it's just a bad time of year for us to do it because we're involved in other different things. So in order for us to just be waiting around and just the founders come trickling in, you guys can help us get this thing launched even quicker by getting the founders in. All right. So it's a nice, clean, crisp page, easy to read. The founders, they click this, they go to a payment button, they pay, and then we send them the same email that you got. They'll register, and then they'll have the same opportunity as you to bring in more founders until we get 500. Once we're 500, that's it. It's done. So you guys have a huge advantage because right now you can bring in a bunch of founders yourself right now before they even get in here. So you can earn overrides off a bunch of people and be one of the few people in this program that actually earns overrides. So that's an advantage, huge advantage for any founder right now. If you're like the 499th founder in, you're going to be kind of out of it. But right now, you guys have an advantage to take advantage of this. But anyway, I appreciate everybody being here. I'm going to post this in a group, and I'll try to post the details with it. And if you have any questions, reach out to Don and I, and we'll be glad to answer any questions. But I got to run. I got a dinner date tonight, but I appreciate you guys being here, and we'll talk to you guys soon.